Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel again. In this particular video session, I'm going to show you how to send a simple mail to a recipient using a simple Python script. I know you must have come across tons of millions of YouTube videos covering this topic, but in this particular video, I'm going to show you how Gmail blocks the lesser authentication apps and how do we enable that and send our custom email through Python script. Let's get started. Using Anaconda Navigator in here, I'm gonna take Jupyter Notebook. It's already open in my browser. I'm gonna take new Python 3 notepad. I'm gonna check my SMTP library. I'm gonna import smtplib as sm. Yes, it's working fine. So the next step is you are going to create a session, a secured session. So say I'll take a variable s and I'm gonna use the smtp function, and it's going to take two arguments. One is a port number, that is secure transport layer, that is a port number, and the server name. The server name is smtp.gmail.com and the port number is 587. In the next line, I'm going to start this SMTP, that is this port in a secured way. So STARTTLS. So this is called TLS, Gmail TLS port. So STARTTLS. It is running. You can see star here. It's processing. It's trying to connect, and now it is ready to start TLS. Next, I'm going to read my credential authentication. So s.login. Here it takes two arguments. One is your Gmail account email ID. Mine is this .com, and your password. Here the password is a sensitive information, so I cannot demonstrate through the video, so I created a text file. I am going to read it from there. So to do that, let me write a line here. Say password is equals to, I'm going to open the file which is in my desktop, that is pass.txt. I'm going to use that file name here. Say that is password. Okay, so after that, so it says error, password is not defined because I have not compiled the first line. So shift enter, and it's going to take time to get me a new session. There we go, and no compilation. And it says here attribute error, text wrap, object is no encode. Sorry, here is the object. Here using this object I must read that line. Read line. Now it's good, and again I have a message saying SMTP authentication failure. The message is username and password is not accepted. I'll get back to that later. First let me complete our coding part. In the next line, I'm going to say I'll write a message. Say I'll take a message, and message is hello from Python script. So this is the message what we are going to embed in our message email body. Here again, we're using that particular session. I'm going to use a function called send mail. Send mail also takes it takes three parameters. So one is from, one is recipient, and one is message. So from is the same as this one, sender, and the recipient I'm going to give one of my other iCloud account. santhosh.kumar.s at icloud.com. So this is the message. After sending the message, I want this session to quit. I'm closing that particular session. Let me run it again, and it says again the authentication failure. I will show you one more thing. I have bookmarked something. So I was talking about this lesser secure apps. It says the Google detects the lesser login technology, and it is not going to allow access to your inbox or any of your Gmail account if it is using sign-in technology which is less secure. So at your own risk, you can turn it on. Here I'm turning on this. So now it is updated. It shows here. I'm going back to my page. I'm gonna run it. I'm gonna take a new session. I'm gonna run each and every line. So this is my last line. It's running. So both are in processing state. So it's executed successfully, ready to start. And SMTP object, it says, oh sorry, just typo error. I'll say quit. Yes, it is connected, and can you see here I got a mail saying hello from Python script, and this is my email ID. Anyways, I got twice because I executed this line twice. So this is it, guys. So this is how we send a simple text mail from our Python script.